look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the Planet V. We're back with our thrilling adventure through Asturias in Spain. Today, get ready to be amazed as we take on the Ruta del Cares hike, starting from the vibrant town of Oviedo. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting journeys. And a huge shout out to all our incredible supporters who have been with us every step of the way. Ready? Let's go! Setting off early from Iveta's place in Cudillero, we allowed ourselves enough time for the approximately 3-hour journey ahead. Our early departure would ensure us a better parking spot in the area, which can be quite challenging. Despite my sleepiness, I found it impossible to doze off during the journey due to the breathtaking views that unfolded before me. The sight of the mountain's peaks bathed in the warm glow of the rising sun was absolutely captivating and not something to be overlooked. As we ascended, the morning air grew colder and we even spotted patches of frost along the way, adding an extra touch of enchantment to the experience. After a quick breakfast, we prepared for the hike. Iveta gave walking sticks to vault and I had an extendable stick for my gimbal as support. I wasn't dressed warmly enough and I felt cold when we started hiking in the 5-degree weather. But seeing the sun shining on the other side of the tall mountains, I knew I just had to keep moving to warm up my body. Having completed the challenging hike in Bulnes, we embarked on a more relaxed adventure this time. Although the trails were mostly flat, the true excitement and exhilaration came from the awe-inspiring sights. The towering mountains, the magnificent gorge, the cascading river, the invigorating breeze, and the immense energy emanating from the mountains all added to the incredible experience of this hike. Imagine standing at the edge of a deep, rugged gorge where the Cares River, like a silver ribbon, winds its way through the towering cliffs. The Ruta del Cares, also known as the Cares Trail or the Divine Gorge, was not created for a specific purpose, but rather emerged as a result of human necessity. The trail was originally constructed for hydroelectric purposes in the early 20th century. The rugged terrain and deep gorge of the Cares River posed a challenge for engineers tasked with building a canal to transport water to power the Camarmeña hydroelectric power station. To overcome this obstacle, a pathway was carved along the cliffs of the gorge to facilitate the construction and maintenance of the canal. Another marvel of Asturias, guys. It's just overwhelming. Look at those mountains behind us.
It's such a deep valley and there's somewhere down the river.
Yeah.
And it's also scary actually because you have to look at the same time up and also down, because if you will go off the, what is this?
The path.
You will just be dead.
Yeah. We don't pay attention.
Yeah. Actually, they said this is one of the most dangerous routes here.
And there's no protection, by the way, on the side of the
It's amazing.
path. As you set foot on the trail, The hustle and bustle of everyday life fades away, replaced by the soothing symphony of nature's melodies. The path carves through dramatic rocky landscapes lined with lush vegetation that embraces the mountainside with vibrant hues of green. Step by step, you become immersed in the grandeur that surrounds you. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. A gentle breeze brushes against your face, rejuvenating your spirit as you delve deeper into this natural wonderland. Prepare to be enchanted by the sound of cascading waterfalls, their crystal clear streams dancing alongside the path, inviting you to pause and admire their mesmerizing beauty. At every turn, your eyes are rewarded with panoramic vistas, towering peaks, deep ravines, and a never-changing canvas of clouds that paint the sky. And as you make your way along the trail, you'll meet fellow adventurers united by their shared love for exploration. Greetings are exchanged, laughter fills the air, a testament to the camaraderie that flourishes on this remarkable journey. Did you know that the Ruta del Cares gained significant popularity among fans of the hit television series Game of Thrones? The trail was featured in the show's 6th season, serving as the backdrop for scenes depicting the perilous journey of characters through the rugged landscapes of Westeros. The Ruta del Cares, where nature's grandeur intertwines with the spirit of adventure. It is a pilgrimage that awakens the senses, enriches the soul, and leaves an indelible mark on your heart. So, embrace the call of the wild and embark on an extraordinary odyssey along the Ruta del Cares. Your epic adventure awaits. We made it, guys. It was just an amazing hike. We have to have a lunch. Oh, we have a message from Iveta.
Menu ir viens un
Otrs un tad vēl
otrs.
saldais un vīns.